I can also make monster snot.
Ew, snot! Hi guys! Today, welcome to my baby channel because my sissy is gonna join me in my channel. And my sissy is gonna help me make some slime. I'm gonna make galaxy slime.
And I'm going to make glow-in-the-dark slime. So now let's open these and see what's inside.
I'm gonna open mine. Okay. I'm gonna open my tape.
Need help or you got it?
I got it.
Okay.
Ooh. Some more tape.
I got easy to follow instructions. Sodium tetraboride. I also got some green dye.
That's okay.
Little green colored sand. A little measuring cup and a pot of paint. Pot of paint. Little mixing stick.
I got some blue mixing.
Blue dye.
Blue dye. I got
Well-
some purple dye.
Mixing spoon.
I got a cup that can fill in. I got some glue.
Me too.
Glue. I got some, I don't know,
Sodium tetraboride.
sodium tetraboride.
Good job.
Yay. A mixing stick. A mixing spoon. Some glitter. And the instructions. What do I all have? Now let's start making the slime. So the instructions said you put some oopsies, a little bit ripped, but that's okay.
So I can make alien sneeze glow slimy glue.
So I can make glitter slime, and my sister don't get any. She got green one, and I got a glitter one. So she gets the green one, I get the purple one. So I get the glitter one. So the instructions said you need to put like. I'm just joking again, but
I can also make gloppy, sloppy slime.
I can make blue slime or purple slime. So
The galaxy glue is both purple and blue.
So I'm going to make, I think, a purple.
I can also make monster snot.
Ew, snot! I put in your bigger.
Okay. No, hold on.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Only make one slime. I can make 3 slimes.
Oh yeah. Like I make 2 slimes. She makes 1 slime.
I guess I'm going to make alien sneeze. So first we're going to fill a disposable cup with 25 milliliters of warm water. So then we put it in the cup. And then use the provided spoon, scoop out 1 level spoonful of sodium tetraboride. So then we set it aside, and then we fill a second cup with 25 milliliters of water.
So we finished our slime today, and look at my slime. I like this colorful, like, so you can see how it goes. So it is pretty cool. I like the colors into my slime, and you can see that there's like my slime. It's like sticky, and I'm already having fun with it. So it's your turn.
Here's my alien SNOT glow-in-the-dark slime. Now this is a pretty cool slime.
Ooh, take it out. Nope. Slime.
This is a very cool slime. Slimy gloop. Slimy gloop. Boom, 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 boom. Now alien SNOT is funny.
Yeah. And mine is cute too. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Can I feel their slime? Ooh, it feels very nice. Feel mine? You want to feel mine?
Yeah.
Ooh, feels very nice.